Good morning, doctor and companies. My name is William Andres Manrique Linares. My identification. Continuation. Presentation. Step 4. Understand and negotiations. Progress to negotiate biotechnological products to the protection of intellectual property. Problem related to value technology. Problem related to negotiation. Because of the high risks, the payments during the initial stage of the project are much lower than those of the final stage, and in exchange to sharing at higher risk, the partner will have a higher profit. Technology transfer. Technology transfer is a business modality in which the partner wins in technology and the owner ensures a market during the technology transfer period. In the framework of this type of agreement, the supply for the market can be guaranteed by the facility of the partner, while increasing product capacity and product standards. This negotiation is generally carried out when the partner ensures large markets, such as the supplies for health ministries to meet the needs of the domestic health programs. The intangible asset in this modality is the technology. Its value should be calculated by the technological factor method, the TEACH factor, consisting in applying to the current net worth CNW adjusted to deduct cash flow risks that is generated by that technology, and amount calculated according to the weighting of the attributes of that technology. The payments are negotiated according to technological goals or milestones determined by the stage of the transfer, as for example the delivery of technological packs, the production of the slots, etc. Recommendations. To defray these risks, the expected cash flow from product sales must be calculated separately for each market in which trading risks are granted. 2. In technology, the value must be well calculated since it is a complex business, and transfer schedule must be designed as well as the scope of the technology package and technical assistance. 3. Carry out early negotiation strategies prior to commercialization, and starting from there, describe negotiation models with which the strategies will materialize. Bibliography. Bye bye.